Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get a refund for a stolen Amazon package. If you've ever had a package marked as delivered but never actually received it, this process will help you report the issue and get your money back or receive a replacement. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, move your mouse up to the top right corner where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over that option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Orders. This will take you to a page showing all your recent purchases and deliveries. Now, although I don't have any active orders right now, I'm going to walk you through the next steps as if I did. On your Orders page, you'll need to locate and select the specific order that corresponds to the stolen package. This is important because Amazon needs to know exactly which item you're reporting is missing. Once you've selected that order, look for a button that says View Order Details or Problem with Order and click on it. This will open up more options related to that specific purchase. From here, you'll see an option to report a problem with the order. Click on that and then choose the issue that best describes your situation, which in this case would be missing or stolen package. Amazon will then ask you to provide a short explanation of what happened. Type in a brief description stating that the package was marked as delivered but was stolen from your doorstep or delivery area. Be clear and straightforward in your explanation so Amazon understands the situation right away. Next, you'll be presented with options for resolution. Amazon typically offers either a refund or a replacement depending on the item and availability. Select whichever option works best for you. If the item is still in stock and you need it, go with replacement. If you'd rather just get your money back, choose refund. After making your selection, submit the claim and give Amazon some time to process it. They'll review your report and investigate the delivery details. This usually doesn't take too long, but you'll want to keep an eye on your email for any updates from Amazon regarding the investigation or resolution. While you're waiting, check your inbox regularly for any messages from Amazon. They might send you updates about the status of your claim or ask for additional information to help with their investigation. If Amazon does request more details, open your orders again and follow any instructions they provide to complete the claim. In some cases, if your claim is denied or you feel you need to speak with someone directly, you can select Contact Us from the Amazon Help section. This will let you chat with or call a customer service representative who can assist you further. It's worth noting that Amazon commonly refunds or replaces stolen packages after a report is filed, especially when the claim is submitted promptly and tied to the correct order. So don't wait too long to report the issue if you notice your package is missing. And that's it. You've successfully filed a claim for your stolen Amazon package and should receive a refund or replacement soon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.